Ayan na nga. Yan. Okay na ha. Ayan. Ay, tamsak. Plitan yung ngipin ko. Parang hindi na ako komportable. Ayan. Marian Raitana. Hello. Hello, sis. Manay. Hi, Tipala. Haha. Hello. Kumusta? Maray na bangge. Okay, thank you sis. Ka-start ko lang. Mag-ano tayo? Maray man ate. Ayan. So, thank you so much po. Okay, so antayin natin yung iba. So, mega love shout out to 9 million thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you. So, still on si Manay, it's Mines. Thank you. Akala ko kasi kanina tawag doon, makapag-start ako ng late but still nakahabol ang oras. Share ko muna. Thank you. Thank you sa share. Maraming salamat. Thank you sis Marian Raitana. Thank you so much po sa share. Taga Bicol din siya. Kaano nila Kuya Manoy Jom Fish. So, thank you so much guys. Salamat sa share. So, we're waiting for the end of Mana It's Mines. Yes, Mana It's Mines is still on live stream. So, salamat. Okay. So, i-drop ko yung link ni Capards. Capards TV has a premiere after my live stream. So, kindly support Capards TV. 11 p.m. siya. So, I'll pin Capards. Capards TV premiere. Okay. So, thank you so much sis Marian. Thank you for the share. Okay. So, replace pin. Okay. Okay. So, kindly do the thumbs up for Capards TV, guys. He has a premiere after my live stream. Thank you so much. Hindi ako sanay na may kilay ako. 4 minutes. So, baba ko din si mga member ko. So, kindly also support It's Mines. Ayan, Eliza Paredes. Hi po. Hi. Hi, Eliza. Okay, so, good evening to you, Eliza. Eliza Paredes. Is this your main channel? Sis Eliza? 1 subscriber, 2 videos. New YouTuber ka talaga? Or are you an organic supporter or a creator? Thank you so much for having you here. Okay, so we have Harang. Thank you, Kapards. Nakapin na ang premiere mo. Hi, Eliza. Pamangkin ko yan, te. Okay. Thank you. YouTuber din siya. New YouTuber siya. Thank you so much, Sis Marian. Thank you. Okay, so kindly do the thumbs up for Kapards, guys. May premiere po siya after my live stream. So let's support Kapards TV. So I will drop the link of all my members. So thank you, Eliza. Nag-try lang siya. Thank you so much. Okay, so walang problema mag-try kasi basta anuhan lang. So, lagyan ko siya ng moderator. Si Eliza. Ay, bukas ang CR. Bukas yung CR, isarado mo. Thank you. Okay, sasaan na si Eliza? Eliza Paredes. Okay, so you can also drop your link, Eliza, para mabigyan ka ng mga subscribers. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So, 2,012,000 and po, ayan. Thank you, Kapards. Maraming salamat. So, let's drop all the links of my members. Thank you po. You're welcome, Eliza. You can also be connected to those links na binababa ko. Ayan. So, i-check mo yung channel ninda, tapos dukutan mo sinda. Tapos mag-comment ka. Okay? Para babalik sila sa mo. Susubscribe ka din nila para mas daghanan mag-subscribe sa imo. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, so it's Mines. So we have Ma'am Victoria Tangka. Victoria Tangka Mix Vlog. Ay, Victoria Tangka TV. Okay. So, Ma'am Victoria Tangka is one of my member. Okay, so kindly be connected. So, mga din to. Okay, so si Sis Eliza, ayan, i-anuhan mo si Kapards para mabigyan kanya ng subscribers also. Si Kapards TV, dikitan mo yan para mabigyan ka ng saging din Kapards. Okay, so I'll drop the link also for Ma'am Victoria Tangka Mix Vlog. Okay, para puntahan mo. Para dadami ang subscribers mo, Eliza. Ma'am Pressy, thank you so much, Ma'am Pressy. Paguhitan mo nga yan nini si It's Mines. Hey, maraming salamat. Road to 1.5. Yes. Okay, Yuri. Okay, so kindly also to subscribe It's Mines. It's road to 1,500 subscribers, guys. Ma'am Presi, kumusta po? Mega love shout out po sa'yo. Ayan, so may premiere. What time is it, Ma'am Presi? Anong oras po itong premiere mo? Also, Kapards has sa premiere, guys, yung nakapin. So, mamaya-maya ko ipin sa'yo, Mama. Ma'am Presi, after nung ni Kapards, pasuportahan ko muna si Kapards. May kana. Ayan, si Manay It's Mines. Done po to It's Mines. Thank you, Sis Eliza. Maraming salamat. Okay, so I will also drop the link for Sulpicia Sports King TV. Sulpicio, Sports King TV, yan, lahat yan. Pag didikitan mo yan, they are all legit Alaysa kasi mga member yan ng Survivors team. Okay, so SSK TV. Okay. So thank you so much. Ayan muna. Then kindly also do the thumbs up for Ma'am Presi Varona. Yung binaba niyang link. Okay? So maraming salamat. And also kapards yung nakapin. Okay? So kindly do the thumbs up and of course kalimbangin mo na. Then mamaya attend ka sa premiere niya after my live stream. Okay, so we are now 13 million in the house. Mega love shout out to everyone. Okay, thank you guys for all your support. So we have a new YouTuber, Eliza Paredes is also a Bicolana, guys. So kindly support Eliza Paredes. Okay, pamangkin po siya ni Marian Raitana. Okay, so thank you so much to you all. Maraming salamat po. Okay? So, one more member ko ulit, si Erham. Okay? So, Brother Erham and then the channel. Erham. And then the channel. So, Brother Erham and then the channel is from Indonesia. Okay? He is an Indonesian blogger. So, you can also be connected to him. Okay? So, thank you so much. And don't forget to Manay It's Mines also. Road to 1,500 si Manay It's Mines. Wow. Getting bigger. Okay, so I'll drop the link for Erham. Okay. And also, I will drop the link for Mr. Steven Talk Show. Mr. Steven Talk Show is all the way from the US of A. Steven Talk Show. So if you want to be motivated, go to Mr. Steven Talk Show. Steven Talk Show. Bakit hindi ko siya mahanap? Ayun. So, Brother Steven is 482. Wow. So, we can add some more so that Brother Steven can graduate tonight at 5 for the road to 500, guys. Wow, another Bicolana. Hello there, Eliza Paredes. Salamat si support kay It's Mines. Balik ang kanya. Yes. Thank you, Yuri. Okay, so Brother Steven Talk Show. Okay, so kindly be connected to Brother Steven, guys. Okay, he is also a very supportive friend of us. Thank you so much. And of course, he's Mimi and Demi. Okay. So, they are all my members, channel member, guys. So, I will drop the link first for my members before the other. Okay? So, kindly be connected also to Sis Mimi. Okay, thank you so much, 13 million. Kindly be connected to those link na binababa ko, Eliza, so that they can return you back. Okay, basta mag-iwan ka lang po ng comment sa kanila. Okay, so alam ko naman siguro tutorial ka na din ni Sis Marian kung paano ka dumikit. Okay, para sure ball na dikit. Okay, hindi malalagas. Okay, so Sis Mimi and Demi TV, I dropped the link already for Sis Mimi and Demi. And I want also to drop the link of Shisharay. 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 Okay. Saray. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. 4 million in the house. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to each and every one of you. Okay, thank you, thank you. So, si Sherry. Okay, so that's for tonight. So, after the other naman yung iba. So, mega love shout out to all of you. And kindly, don't forget also to do the thumbs up for Capards TV. Yes, he has a premiere after my live stream at 11 p.m. So mega love shout out to each and every one of you. Just feel at home, Eliza Paredes. Yes, feel at home ka lang and just do the right thing para maaanuhan tayo. Magkakaroon ka ng mas madaling makakuha ka ng subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much. Si Berries, hello to you, my dear sister. Si Berries, hello all and host. Yes, mega love shout out to you, sis Berry. Si Berries TV is our friend. Okay, so kindly be connected with Si Berries. So may I check your channel, sis Si Berries? Wow, you are now 171. So she need some more for her road to grade 2. Yes, you're going to have your road to grade 2, sis Berries. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay. So you can also drop your link as CC Berries so that everyone also can be connected to your channel. Thanks, Doc. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so mega love shout out to everyone. Thank you, thank you. Alden Kunanan, Harang, thank you. Eliza Paredes SSKTV dan po. Yes, thank you so much, sis Eliza. Mag-comment ka lang, babalikan ka nila. Apo. So, iisa ang ano namin, iisa yung team namin kaya sure yan. Basta mag-comment ka ng naaayon sa video na pinanood mo. Okay, so avoid those words that are not allowed in the comment box on YouTube. Okay. So, mega love shout out to you, sis Berries. I will drop your link. Okay, sis Berries. Thank you so much, sis Berries. Sis Marian Raitana. Thank you so much, sis Marian. Si Berries. Si Berries. Okay. Explore. Har Har. Thank you so po Har Har and Alden Kunanan. Thank you so much. Suporta sa pang-ekonomiya. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Si Berries TV. God bless. Yes. Thank you. Thank you then. You'll always be welcome on our live stream. Thank you for all your support. So thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend. we are just a little tonight because it's weekend. Yeah, but tomorrow for sure we have some more viewers. Yes. So not every day is a rain, right? Oh, sabi ni, thank you. Okay, love and heart from Sea Berries. Thank you so much, Sea Berries. Okay, sis Eliza Paredes, you can also be connected with Sea Berries. She is also a new YouTuber. So, like you, si Sea Berries is still in 171 subscribers. Okay, so just keep it up, Eliza. You can make it. Nandiyan naman si tita mo. Nandiyan si tita mo, Marian, para suportahan ka. Sama-sama ka lang dyan sa mga pinupuntahan niyang nagla-livestream. Palm Spinwell. Ayan. Thank you so much, Palm Spinwell. Thank you so much sa paharang. Thank you so much. Yes. So always support one another, guys. Okay, so that we can also be connected to each and every one of us. Then, if you are ready to do the live stream, you can. Okay, so thank you so much for the 15 million thumbs up, guys. Thank you. So kindly also be connected to all my channel members. Okay, they are all my channel members. And those who want also to join my team, the door is open. Okay, so you're open. You're very much welcome to be on my team. Thank you so much, 6 million. Thank you so much, guys. Sis Marian Raitana, virtual hug. Thank you so much po sa pa-virtual hug, Manay. Salamat tunon. Thank you so much. Ayan, so from Bicol, si Eliza Paredes. Pamangkin siya ni Sis Marian Raitana. Kaya, kalimbangin nyo ang bahay niya. Okay? So, kalimbangan na tayo ng bahay. Mr. TV, harang po na ang huli. Ha, ha, ha. Thank you sa paharang, Mr. TV. Thank you so much. Ayan. Okay, so I will write it down your name, Eliza Paredes, and I will get you back tomorrow. Yeah, I will get you back tomorrow. So, Eliza Paredes. Okay, kindly do the thumbs up for the premiere of Capards, guys. The one that I pin. Capards TV's premiere at 11 p.m. tonight after my live stream, guys. So, support Capards TV. Kuya Putput. Kuya Putput in the house. Okay. The legendary playboy. Okay, Kuya Putput, mega love shout out. Bukas pa bang Araneta? Ronan Endo, Tamsak Dan host. Thank you so much, brother Ronan Endo. Balik yung kita, Ma'am Eliza, nang higit pa sa sobra. Yes. O, diba, Sis Eliza? Kindly also support Manay It's Mines. Road to 1,500, guys. Yes, 1,500. O, diba? Humataw si Inay. Humataw si Inay Agnes, no? And don't forget also to hug. Wow, thank you so much, Brother Ronan Endo, for the blessing. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you so much. Brother Ronan Endo. Kuya Putput, wow, ang lupit ng bansag mo, host. O, hindi ako nagbansag niyan. It's Kuya Bate. Si Kuya Bate po ang nagbinyag niyan. Diba? Diba? Thank you so much, Brother Ronan, sa pag-share ng blessing. Maraming salamat. Marian Raitana, ha ha ha. Di ba ang lupit? O, tanungin mo si Sis Marian. Si Kuya Bati ang nagano niyan. The legendary playboy. O, ayaw mo niyan. High tech. Okay. So, thank you so much. Don't forget also to be connected to our super chatter for tonight, Brother Ronan Endo. I will drop the link for Brother Ronan Endo, guys, and kindly be connected. Do you have a premiere, Brother Ronan? So you can be connected also to Brother Ronan. O, bukas 5 p.m. Okay, set reminder on. So, mayroon po siyang premiere. Ito yung ibaba ko sa iyo, Brother Ronan. Nag-thumbs up na ako, reminder on. Okay, so kindly be connected with Brother Ronan Endo. Support the premiere. Yes, at least 5 p.m., Brother Ronan. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I will drop the link for Brother Ronan Endo, guys. Premiere niya bukas. MD Reacts! Hello! Hey everyone! Hello! Good evening to you, brother! How are you today? Okay, so you can also be connected with our visitor, Mr. MD Reacts, guys. Maraming salamat to sa lahat sa pagpapalakas ng aking loob sa pag-YT. Yes, thank you. You always be welcome, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat din po sa suporta nyo sa akin. Okay? So, hindi tayo mag-grow pare-parehas kung wala yung suporta natin sa bawat isa. 'Di ba? So, pag may nanghihina, dapat pinapalakas yan. Yun ang papel natin. I'm fine, thank you. And how are you? I'm doing good, brother M. The Reacts. Thank you so much for having you here tonight. I was not able to do my live stream last night. Okay, so thank you so much for having you here always. Kalat ka na kuya na babaero ka. Kabsat ang hearts mo sa akin. Hindi si Kuya Bati talaga ang nagbansag sa'yo. Okay, Brother Ronan Endo premiere. I will drop the link for Brother Ronan Endo. And first guys, si Brother Ronan Endo po is ano natin yan, kapamilya, ayan. So, premiere niya po yan bukas. Wow, Brother Ronan, it's too much. Thank you so much. Ayan, iba talaga yung sumasahod sa YT. Thank you, Brother Ronan, and maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagpapalipad. Thank you sa super chat. But di StreamYard ang gamit mo. Ayoko nga. Gusto ko lang sabihin na legendary playboy. Next time. Okay guys, kindly do the thumbs up for Brother Ron and Endo premiere. Yes, okay. So we need also to support the one that I pinned for Capards TV. Okay, so that's the premiere tonight. So I will change it first. I will pin Brother Ronan Indo. Okay, so premieres. Ayan. Wait lang. We'll change the pin. Okay. Ayun. Nandun na. So, thank you so much, guys. Kindly do the favor for Brother Ronan Indo, guys. Premiere. Okay, Pinay Angels Vlog, thank you. Paayuda mo naman. Road to 4K, bake naman. Yes, ayudahan nyo. Si Kuya Putput, ayudahan nyo. Okay, so maraming salamat. Tawa ng tawa tuloy sa akin si Kuya Putput. Pinay Angels Vlog also, guys. Kindly be connected to Pinay Angels Vlog. Okay, I will also drop the link for Pinay Angels. Okay. And to our super chatter, guys, he has also a premiere. Kindly do the thumbs up and kindly leave your comments on his channel also. Okay, Pinay Angel. Okay, so Pinay Angel link is there. So kindly support also. Sis Alyssa, huwag kang aalis hanggat hindi mo sila dinikitan lahat. Para lahat sila magiging parte ng bahay mo, pagbuo mo ng YT mo. Okay, they are all supportive. Okay, Brother Ronan also is came from us and now monetized channel na siya. So, kindly support. And also, Pinay Angels is a new YouTuber. So, we have 3 new YouTubers in the house. Pinay Angels Vlog, Alyssa Paredes, and C Berries. Okay, so then Mr. M. The React is has a big house also. He has 8,000 subscribers. So, thank you so much. Alyssa Paredes, yes po ate, yes. Okay, so sis Alyssa Paredes is pamangkin po siya ni Miss Marian Raitana. All the way from Bicol. Oo, B, Alyssa, yes. O, ganun lang talaga. Ganun lang talaga ang kung gusto mong mag-grow. And also, don't forget to our legendary playboy, Kuya Putput Vlog, for the road to 4,000. Hindi ko napanood yung face reveal. Mayroon na bang yung continuation, Kuya Putput? Okay, Manay Etzmines, Harang. Thank you po, Manay Etzmines. Si Manay Etzmines is road to 1,500. So maraming gagraduate. We'll do our best to all of you guys to graduate tonight. Done to you also, Kuya Putput. Wow, thank you, Sis Alaysa Paredes. Thank you so much. Wow, legendary playboy. Ayan, may witness. Nandyan si Manay Etzmines. Oh, 'di ba? Manay Etzmines. Yan ang sabi, ang sa'yo, bansag sa'yo ni, tawag dito, ni Kuya Bati. Oh, hantay. Sino ayudahan host? Si po, si Manay Etzmines, si Manay Agnes Gade. Okay, si Etzmines po ang channel niya. Tapos, yung mga new YouTubers natin, yung mga taga-US na nandyan, si Severis, Brother Steven Talk Show, binaba ko na yung mga link nila, Brother Ronan, nandyan sa taas. Mag-backread ka lang po. Nasa taas lahat ng link. Thank you, Brother Ronan. And also, Ma'am Victoria Tangka is a new YouTuber. Second account. Ronan Endo Dan Tamsak at dikit sa'yo from Pinay Angels Vlog. Wow, thank you, Pinay Angels Vlog. Ma'am Victoria Tangka TV also in the house. Thank you so much, Ma'am Vicky. Well, I was not able to attend your live stream kanina kasi I'm so busy. Busy-busyhan. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Ma'am Victoria Tangka, thanks Doc and virtual hug. Yes, thank you so much for the virtual hug. 1,500 kay Manay Etzmines. So may I see if ilan ang kulang niya? 1,430. So more than 70. So yung kaya lang po. Okay, so Master Steven Talk Show ang pinakamalapit po. Si Mr. Steven Talk Show is road to 500. So, 482 si Mr. Steven. Okay, so 82. So, yan ang madaling ayudahan, Brother Ronan. Then, bigyan mo na din si Manay Etzmines at itong mga bago natin. Thank you so much, Brother Ronan Endo, sa paayuda. Maraming salamat. And of course, si Kuya Putput po. Lahat naman dito. Especially new YouTubers, guys. Okay, so Capards has a premiere, guys. Kindly do the thumbs up for Capards. Ako need ko 600. Maria Mercedes Marimar Kuya Putput. Baka namula na ang mata ko dito. Hindi pa natin nakuha yung 600 ngayong gabi. Ay, nako, gigibain ba natin ang Araneta? Tamsakdan host, thank you. Ronan07 Vlog, thank you so much. Love, road to 1,500, please. Love, yes. Okay, love, Etzmines. Kasi road to road to 1,500. Wow, hinataw mo talaga, Manay Etzmines. Humataw talaga si Manay Etzmines, ha. Thumbs up done. Thank you, Ma'am Victoria, for the thumbs up. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much po sa support. And kindly also, guys, thumbs up the premiere of our super chatter for tonight, Brother Ronan Endo. Yes, Brother Ronan Endo. Good eve to all. Inay! Inay Freelancing Tips for Beginners by Christy Angelo. Mega loud shout out sa aming inay sa freelancing. Thank you, Inay. Akala ko nakatulog ka na. Narinig mo ba ako? Okay, so Ma'am Christy is in the house, guys. You can also be connected to Ma'am Freelancing Tips para maraming isda doon. Okay, so I will drop the link for Inay. Yes, I will drop your link, Inay. Inay, si Inay ko. Okay. So, Inay Christy, freelancing. Okay, so I will drop the link for freelancing. Kindly be connected to Inay Christy, guys. Just si freelancing tips. Okay, para makapangisda kayo doon. Maraming isda talaga doon, araw-araw. Mega love shout out, it's Mines from Marian Raitana. Thank you, sis. Sa pa shout out kay Manay, it's Mines. Ronan Vlog, baba bahay. Ayan po, kaninong bahay ang ibababa ko ha? Tinawag ko nga po mami si Ma'am Christy kanina sa LS niya. Bunso, okay lang. Oh, di ba? Nag-level up na pala si Inay. Naging mami na. Yayeminin na tayo. Okay, so, and don't forget also to Kuya Putput, guys, to support Kuya Putput. Yes, marami ding isda dun sa kanila. Maraming salamat. And sino pa? So, ibaba ko yung bahay ni Mr. Steven Talk Show para makagraduate na siya ng 500. Okay? Brother Ronan, Steven Talk Show. Okay, ibababa ko po yung bahay ni Mr. Steven Talk Show. Oh, hindi na naman nahanap yung channel niya. Kasi yung channel niya, kapangalan niya si Steve Harvey. Okay, Steven Talk Show. Kaya ang hirap mahanap ng channel niya. Ayun. 482 siya, Brother Ronan Endo. I hope we can add some more. Sagot akin, mami talaga. Ha ha ha. Stay home from Inay Christy. Thank you, man, Inay. Okay, so Steven Talk Show. 480 to ang banana niya. Sana makagraduate to ng 500. Kasi naaano na siya dahil yung subscriber niya daw hindi lumalaki. Pero ganun lang talaga, 'di ba? Hindi naman nakukuha. Antok ka pala, hindi malapit ka luka. Okay, so maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you sa 8 million guys na nasa bahay. Freelancing done from Sis Alyssa Paredes. Yes. Alyssa, si Inay Freelancing Tips for Beginners by Christy Angelo. Nagla-livestream siya 8 a.m. Okay, so 8. Basta bantayan mo siya, kalimbangin mo para ma-notify ka. Then attend ka sa kanya. Maraming isda doon. Hello at Raitana, mega love shout out from It's Mines. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Hindi mabuksan, host Steven. Kaya nga ang hirap pero binaba ko na. Ayan yung niya ang channel niya. Bakit kaya? Kahit yung pag niya diyan, pag nagbababa siya ng link, hindi mabuksan talaga. Kaya kailangan mano-mano yata. Steven Talk Show po siya. Steven Talk Show. Steven Talk Show. Ayan. Ito, Brother Ronan, yung pangalan niya. Steven Talk Show. Sangka, it's Mines sa Bicol, te. Okay, sabi ni Sis Marian Raitana. Thank you, Inay Christy, sa pa-BG. Marian Raitana visited you. Thank you, si Berries TV. Thank you for visiting Marian Raitana. You can visit also the others and kindly leave your comments. Naka-private yan, host. Kaya nga, iba ang lumalabas. Okay lang. Si Manay It's Mines na lang at yung mga bago, Pinay Angels Vlog, Alyssa Paredes, and Manay It's Mines, at saka si Berries TV, yung taga-US. Yun. So, can you add some more banana for si Berries also? Thank you, Brother Ronan Endo. So, lagyan natin ng jacket dyan. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Are you done with Brother Ronan Endo so that I can pin also the premiere of Capards TV? Capards TV has a premiere after my live stream, guys. So we are going to support Brother Ronan Endo after my live stream. So are you done with Brother Ronan Endo, guys? Okay, thank you, si Beris TV from Marian Raitana. Thank you so much, Sis Marian. Ikaw na po bahala sa kanya. Ma'am Christy, YouTube. Thank you so much sa pa-YouTube, Ma'am Christy. Okay, guys. If you're done with Brother Ronan Endo, our super chatter, nandyan lang naman ang link niya. If you're going to ask for the link, kindly ask the host and I will drop it again. Okay, so for now, I will pin the link of Capards TV so that we can support Capards TV. Okay, so sea berries, Bicolana, Capards. Ayun. May ingay sila. Okay, so guys, kindly do the thumbs up for the premiere of Capards TV. Yes, thank you so much, guys, for all your support. Bulaga. Ayun, nandito na si Brother Steven Talk Show. Brother Ronan. Brother Steven Talk Show, can you please drop your link? We cannot find your channel. I dropped already your link, but we cannot, if we go to your link, it's unprivate. Mimen Padilla, magandang gabi host. Magandang gabi naman, Mimen Padilla. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out, Brother Rafi. Thank you, Brother Rafi. Hey, Bicolana from Brother Steven. Thank you, Brother Steven. Steven from Freelancing. Capards. Yes, Capards has a premiere at 11 p.m. Inay. Okay, ayun, Brother Ronan, binaba na ni Brother Steven. Okay, Ronan07 Vlog, Steven Dan. Yes, thank you so much so that Brother Steven can graduate to 500 tonight. Okay, so Brother Rafi Sugod. Hey, Christy from Brother Steven Talk Show. Brother Rafi Dimaon, can you help me? Can you do me a favor to support Brother Steven Talk Show for Road to Grade 5? Yes. Okay, so that Brother Steven can graduate tonight for his Road to Grade 5. So kindly support, guys. Boss Rafi Mega Love shout out from Ronan07 Vlog. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out. And don't forget to do the thumbs up for Capards TV, the one that I pinned. Okay, so he has a premiere at 11 p.m. Don't forget also to support Pinay Angels Vlog, Eliza Paredes, and C. Berries. They are the new YouTubers. Okay, so they have a small house. So we need to support also so that their house can grow. Ronan Endo, please connect, guys. Yes, okay. Brother Ronan Endo dropped the link for his channel. So kindly do the thumbs up and kindly be connected also. So mega love shout out to everyone. We have 15 million viewers. Okay, just leave comment to my LS April 26. Tomorrow, I will give him 20 banana. Okay, so I don't know if hindi ko alam, Brother Rafi, kung mag-uuna siya. Okay, so kindly also po, Brother Steven, you can do the first move for Brother Rafi Dimaon, and he will give you 20 banana. Freelancing Tips for Beginners by Christy Heart. Ayan, pulang-pulang puso. Okay, so thank you so much. Thumbs up done. Ronan 014. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you sa buong suporta mo po sa team. Maraming thank you. And lalo na sa mga new YouTubers. Bahala siya. Okay, thank you. Mega love shoutout from Christy. Sabi ni Kapards, present po ako. I'll be live tonight. What time, Brother Steven? What time do you do your live stream tonight? I was not able to attend your live stream where I cannot meet your time. So I hope one day I can be on your live stream. Okay, thank you, Kapards from Freelancing Tips. Thank you, Inay. Ayan, nandiyan si Kapards. May premiere siya ngayong 11 p.m. Okay, so kindly support, guys. And to our super chatter, Brother Ronan Endo. Okay? Naka-private talaga si Steven, my friend. Binaba niya yung link niya eh. Ayan o. So, ayun. Nasa taas. Kasunod ng Ronan 07 vlog, Steven Dan. Yun. Kasunod doon. Pwede mo pong i-browse pataas, Brother Ronan. May premiere na po sa wakas. Yes. O, di ba? At long last, Kapards has a premiere. Naka-private. Kaya nga, minsan hindi ko siya mahanap. Even his live stream, I cannot find. Okay, yan, binaba niya. Brother Steven Talk Show, drop the link. Here is my live. Yes. So what time is it, Brother Steven? Is that 7 p.m. Eastern Time? Nakatusok na ako sa iyo, Kapards from Freelancing Tips. Thank you, Inay. Maraming salamat po. Brother Steven, what time is it? Is that 7 p.m. Eastern Time? Salamat po, Ma'am Christy ng madami from Kapards. Yes, thank you so much, Kapards. Salamat sa mga nag-thumbs up at sumuporta sa ni Kapards premiere. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you there, guys. 7 a.m. Philippine time. Oh, 7 a.m. Okay, so I hope I can be on your live stream. 7 a.m. Yes, because I'm going to wake up early tomorrow because we have some errands to do. Eliza Paredes, mega love shout out. Thank you for the virtual hug, sis Eliza. Maraming salamat. Okay, so Brother Steven Talk Show has a live stream at 7 a.m. Philippine time. So kindly also do the thumbs up for Brother Steven Talk Show, guys, so that they can also be connected to each and every one of us. Kindly leave the comments also. Rafi Dimaon, Christy Padikit, sugod na. Okay, so thank you, Brother Rafi. So that's Inay Christy, our Inay and freelancing tips for beginners. Yes. Okay, so admin namin siya. Okay, maybe one day I can do as early so you can come up on my panel. Yeah, sure, Brother Steven, I can. I am willing to be on your panel during your live stream. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Brother Steven. Thank you so much. And Brother Rafi, thank you also. And guys, if you're going to drop your link, kindly drop it one at a time, please. Okay, so thank you so much for my 27 million thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to support Brother Steven Talk Show. Especially our super chatter has a premiere tomorrow at 5 p.m. Okay, that's Brother Ronan Endo. Nancy, Pabi Vlog, thumbs up dan host. Thank you. Nancy Pabi Vlog, Thank you so much. You are new to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for having you here. And Mimin. Where is Mimin? Mimin. Okay, I'm looking for Mimin, the one that visit us. Okay, so hindi ko na makita yung ano niya. Nancy Poppy Vlog, Ronan here. Okay, thank you. So, sis Nancy Poppy Vlog, thank you so much to you. Ayan, wife yata yan ni Brother Ronan Endo. Thank you, Brother Ronan Endo. Rafi, tomorrow na lang ako mag-check sa channel mo. Bakas lang. Yes, thank you. Visited you, Ronan Endo from Seaberries TV. Thank you. Sis Seaberries, thank you so much for visiting our super chatter, Brother Ronan Endo. You can also visit all my channel members. Okay, so I know you are connected with Manay Etzmines, Ma Victoria Tangka TV. How about Brother Steven? You can be connected with Brother Steven also. He is a good speaker and a live stream. Likewise with freelancing tips. They are the best speaker. Okay, so you can learn something from them. Seaberry done, full pack from Nancy Fabi Vlog. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, sis. Maraming salamat sa iyo. So we are now 10 million in the house, 27 million thumbs up. Alin? Double L. Tapos double O-N-S. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you, sis Nancy Fabi Vlog. Severus TV, thank you. You can also do the thumbs up for Brother Steven Talk Show for his live stream tomorrow at 7 a.m. And for Capards also. So Capards will support you banana tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you so much, Seaberries, for staying to my live stream. Mega love shout out also to Alyssa Paredes. Alyssa, keep going ka lang dyan. Okay, sa pangingisda. Maraming salamat. Okay, so thank you sa lahat ng nandito. Maraming salamat. Ronan O12, magmahal harang host. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa paharang, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat po sa paharang. Okay guys, kindly also drop the link so that Brother Ronan Endo can visit your channel. At be sure that you drop the link one at a time. Okay? Para hindi sunod-sunod. Baka Lolo will make palo-palo us. Wala si Brother Sniper. Wala si Brother Sniper ngayon. Okay? So, thank you so much. Inay Christy. Okay lang po si host. Alam ko naman ang pagod mo everyday. No worries. Si Ronan, OTW po ako sa inyo. Hey, sabi ni Capards. Yes, Capards. Unahan mo na si Brother Ronan. Ronan na nagmahal. Steven Dan with full pack. Wow, thank you. Ayan, Brother Steven. I know you can graduate tonight for your road to 500. You are now 487, Brother Steven Talk Show. Yes, yo. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you, Brother Ronan, for all your support to our co-bloggers and also to our new YouTubers. Yes, diba? So, like what I've said every day on my live stream, that if someone is coming to your live stream and he or she is a new YouTuber, let's accommodate them so that they can feel at home to us. Okay, motivate, educate, and encourage them to continue to grow. Okay, so wag natin silang iset aside kasi they have the biggest 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 plan 'di ba? May mga plano sila sa atin na suportahan tayo everyday. 'Yun, kasi 'pag alam nila na marami silang natututunan sa'yo, the more na it will come back to you. So, let's educate them and encourage, tapos namo-motivate sila. Especially yung mga nag-try lang, 'di ba, yung sabi, "Nag-try lang ako." Okay, pero 'pag na-motivate mo yun at na-encourage mo sila, tapos pinaintindi mo ano ba ang YT, the more they will come back to you. Kasi nalalaman nila. And time will come, makikita mo na lang sila, they're doing the live stream also. So, mahalin natin yung mga new YouTubers kasi we've been there also. 'Di ba? Hindi natin mararating yung monetized channel na hindi tayo dumaan sa pagiging new YouTubers natin. Tama po, so dito galing na tatan dat da ano na datahanan mo. Yes, sa tahanan ko, yes. Okay, so Brother Ronan Endo, Brother Rafi. Okay, they start with me together. Okay, so dito sila. So, yun. Si Brother Rafi nun nahiya yan mag-live stream. But still, nung sabi ko, wag kang mahiya. Tingnan mo na lang ang nanonood sa iyo, yung mga langgam. Di ba yun naman, nung college kami ganun, pag mag-speech na, isipin mo na walang nakatingin sa iyo, mga langgam lang yan. So, para maano yung ano yung self-esteem nila. So, ngayon nakikita ko na sila nagla-live stream. Okay? Na nagmahal na ano lang so Boss Rafi sa akin. Nauna lang si Boss Rafi sa akin. Yes, Brother Ronan. Okay, so may kanya-kanya na kaming bahay, especially Brother Rafi has so many members and Brother Ronan also. So, ang mahalaga, sabi ko nga, di bali tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay, but at the end of the day, magkikita pa rin tayo sa iisang live stream. Okay, so learn to look back where you began, where you start. So, ganun ang nangyayari sa amin ngayon. Okay, so hindi mo naman sila pwedeng hawakan kasi may kanya-kanya na silang responsibility. So, basta ang mahalaga, we see each other on different live streams na we're good friends. Okay, so thank you so much, Brother Ronan Endo and Brother Rafi. Thank you so much. So, marami kaming magkakasama. We are all monetized channel. Okay, yung iba lang ay medyo minalas-malas. So, they lost their channel. Okay, so pero it's not our fault. Okay, so decision nila 'yon. Okay, so hindi sa atin. Kung ano yung decision nila, channel nila 'yon. They have the right to do what they want to do with their channel. Basta tayo dito lang moral support and advice, 'di ba? Ang saya pag natanggap mo ang sahod sa YT. Congratulations. Yes, Brother Ronan Endo. 'Di ba? Si Brother Ronan Endo talagang hindi sumusuko even though naka-duty yan. He is doing the live stream and do the fishing. Okay, so keep it up guys. New YouTubers, you can also do what we do before that we start in YouTube. So sabi nga, 'di ba? If others can't, why can't we? So kaya nyo yan. Laban lang. Thumbs up done from Brother Ronan. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat. Mega love shoutout to my 7 million viewers. Dadating po kami dyan, Sir Ronan. Tiyaga lang. Yes, di ba? So, Eliza Paredes. Ayan. Keep it up, girl. Ayan. Warang Bicolana. Nadiri Uragon. Laban. At tiyaga lang talaga. Hard work. Tapos focus and be positive. although we have ups and downs, parang life, 'di ba? May ups and down. Pero kung sa ups and down mo, give up ka na, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Basta if you get tired, don't give up. Just rest. Okay? Pahinga ka. Kasi napagod ka eh. Pero never say na mag-quit ka. Kasi pag nag-quit ka, talunan ka. Okay? So, ganun lang ang buhay. Ang buhay ay parang gulong din. Di ba? Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba ka. So, be humble. Okay? Have a great day, everyone, from Brother Steven Talk Show. Thank you, Brother Steven. Seaberries TV, hello, Steven Talk Show. I visited you. Yes, thank you, Seaberries. Miss Eliza, dumikit ka po ba sa bahay ko now? Kasi kung dumikit ka ngayon, bukas na kita balikan ng 5. Hehe. Yes. Okay, so shout out ka lang, Sis Eliza, para para hindi kayo magkasalubong. Okay? Para bukas na ka na didikitan ni Kapards. Okay? And sureness yan. Okay? True yan, te. Masaya makuha una sahod. Yes. Diba? Kasi it's the fruit of our hard work. Yes. Yes, done na po, Francis Eliza Parits. Ayan, done na daw, Kapards. Okay, so let's support Kapards TV on his premiere at 11 p.m. Okay, Seaberries and Brother Steven Talk Show, I'm inviting you to be on the premiere of Kapards TV at 11 p.m. after my live stream. Okay, I never going give up. Yes, that's true, Brother Steven. We need to strive so that we can be successful someday. Okay, labin mo ako, guys. May 5 banana ka sa akin. Yes, ayan. Eliza, are you done with Brother Ronan Endo? Ox, bukas magpadala ko ng barkada sa bahay mo. Promise. Yes, thank you so much, Kapards. Ma'am Victoria Tangka Mix Vlog. Yes, ayan. Si Ma'am Victoria Mix Vlog. If I'm not mistaken, I remember na sabi ni Ma'am Victoria na nasa edad na sila. At sabi ko, ang pagiging successful wala sa edad. You can be successful at the age of 60 or more than that. Basta may focus ka, may dreams ka, kaya mo yun. Diba? So, laban lang. Tamsak din, host, harang pa. Thank you, Brother Ronan. 30 tamsak, yes. Thank you so much sa 30 tamsak, guys. And the 10 million viewers. Thank you so much. Sir Ronan, done na po ako sa'yo. Full pack na po. Yes, thank you, Kapards. Brother Ronan also do the live streaming. So, if you are connected already to Brother Ronan, kindly on the notification bell. So that every time and then that Brother Ronan is on live stream or has a premiere, you can support him also. Okay, Ma'am Victoria Tangka also do the live streaming. So, I'm at my booth. The internet is bad. Oh, sad to sad to hear that, Brother Steven. Baba house po, Kapards. Ayan, Kapards. Nakapin. Brother Ronan Indo nakapin para sabay na po. Yes. Thank you, Brother Ronan Indo. Nakapin po. Siya yung nakapin. Kapards, yung premiere niya yan. Bahala ka na, Brother Ronan. At Marian, OTW po ako sa hacienda po ninyo. Thank you, Kapards. Maraming salamat. Don't forget also to Ayuda Pinay Angels Vlog and Seaberries. Okay, so may I see if Brother Steven Talk Show, wow, you are now 489. 89.90. You need 11 banana for Brother Steven Talk Show for Road to 500. Okay, 11 banana for Brother Steven Talk Show. Ronan, done to you from Manay, it's Mines. Done sa nakapin. Yes, thank you kay Kapards po yun, Brother Ronan. Thank you so much po sa support. Maraming salamat. Okay, so 11 banana for Brother Steven Talk Show, guys. So kindly support Brother Steven Talk Show. Next pa ako dun kay Pinay at si Berry. Thank you, Kapards. Maraming salamat. And of course, kindly also support Bien's World and Family Vlog. Okay? The Sniper! What's up, bro? Hello to you, bro. 490 is Steven done with Paul Pack. Thank you so much. Wow. You need 10 banana brother Steven for your road to grade 5. Yes, you. Okay, so I will also drop the link for Vien's World and Family Vlog. Vien's World and Channeling Gadi also. Okay, so be connected with Vien. Kapards TV Bicolana and it's Menes. Hi, hello to you, brother Steven Talk Show. How are you today? Okay. Vien. Okay. So you can also be connected with Vien's World and Family Blog and also Shinalin Gadi. Oh, they are both monetized channel. Okay, they are the members of uh Survivors team. Okay, thank you so much. And also, Brother Steven Talk Show is a member of the Survivors team also. So kindly support. Mahal na mahal ko si host, Tamsak Danos. Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal niya si host. Thank you so much po sa pagmamahal. Shinalin Gadi. Okay, so you can be connected to those links I dropped. Okay, and also brother, the Sniper. Kindly also support the Sniper. Okay, guys, thank you. Mahal na mahal ko si host. Thank you. Yes, salamat sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Diba? Kasi binigay niyo sa akin lahat yung pagmamahal, tiwala niyo sa akin na maging admin ninyo lahat-lahat. So maraming salamat po. Okay, so thank you everyone, and brother Sniper, I hope you can be graduated tonight. Okay, brother Steven Talk Show rather. Okay, so 490, 10 more bananas for Brother Steven Talk Show. Mahal na mahal ko si host. Tamsak dan sa mga nakapin. Thank you. Salamat. Mahal na mahal ko si host. Thank you so much sa pag-tamsak po sa mga nakapin. Ayan. So maraming salamat po to our organic supporter na mahal niya si host. Salamat po. Thank you sa pagmamahal kay host. The Sniper Bro, mega love shout out. Thank you. Manay It's Mines. Okay, road to 1,500 po si Manay It's Mines. So kindly also support Manay It's Mines for her road to 1,500. Wow! Nagulat ako, Manay It's Mines. You are now near going to road to 1,500. Steven done with full pack. Mahal na mahal ko si host. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Let's bolt in for Steven Talk Show Road to 500. Yes, 9 more bananas. 9 or more bananas. Pasubrahan natin. Okay, so Brother Steven Talk Show, Yahoo! I hope I can make it to your road to 500. Okay, so kindly support also Brother Steven's talk show at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, he has a live stream tomorrow at 7 a.m. Philippine time. Okay, and Kapards TV guys, don't forget to do the thumbs up to our bunso. Kapards TV's premiere at 11 p.m. tonight. So it's after my live stream. So thank you so much all of you guys. Maraming salamat for my 31 million thumbs up and to my 11 million viewers. 9 bananas Steven host. Wow. Yes. Okay, let's go guys. Let's bolt in for Brother Steven Talk Show Kapards. Bunso. Siyam na lang. Eliza Paredes, virtual hug. Yes, sis Eliza. Don't forget to those who visited you. They are all coming back to you. Okay, so not today, but for sure by tomorrow. Okay, so sa YouTube, you need to be patient. Okay, so we're not in a hurry in here. So we need to be patient as always. Kasi pag minadali mo yung subscribers mo, walang mapupuntahan yon. Okay, so take it easy kasi bagong-bago pa lang. So more upload videos is Eliza kasi kailangan mong magtanim ka na ngayon ng watch hour mo. Kaya you need to upload more videos. Haba-habaan mo na para pag plinay ka, pasok sa banga ang watch hour mo. Okay? Para mas madali. Like Chiki TV, right? Chiki TV is already a monetized channel last night. So, thank you so much to those who support Chiki TV, guys. Maraming salamat. Especially to the king of all warriors, Tatay Sulficious Sports King TV. Tamsakdan host, Ronan Endo. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat. Explore, virtual hug. Thank you sa virtual hug, guys. Maraming salamat. Okay, so ilan na si Brother Steven? Graduate na mag-graduate to ngayon. Okay, so kanina hindi so siyam na lang. For those with extra bananas, please share to Mr. Seven Talk Show. Thank you so much. Please. Ayan. Sabi ni Yuri TV. Yes. Okay, so thank you so much. Pa-watch short video, guys. Yes, Brother Ronan Endo dropped the link for a short video, so kindly support also. Okay, he is our super chatter for tonight. Thank you so much for your blessing, Brother Ronan Endo. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, Brother Ronan Endo has a short video. Kindly, please support. Okay, and to those who has some more bananas, kindly support Brother Steven Talk Show. He needs 9 bananas more to go. Okay, 9 bananas more to go for Brother Steven Talk Show, guys. Okay, para mag-graduate na siya. Sis Marian Raitana, thanks Doc. Yes, maraming salamat sis. Kabayan, si kabayan na sis Marian. Maraming salamat po. Okay, monetized channel na to. Steven Dan with full pack. Thank you, Brother Ronan Endo. Maraming salamat. Okay, so wala si Daking kasi nakatulog pa, night duty. Okay, so thank you so much for my 32 million thumbs up, guys. Maraming salamat. And of course, the 10 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support. Si Berries, thank you so much to you. Are you still there? You can drop your link so that everybody can visit you. Okay, Sis Marian Retana, dito lang ako. Thank you for staying, Sis Marian. Maraming salamat. Pin mo ho si Steven. Yes, ipipin ko po. Okay, so are you done with Capards TV, guys, ha? So I will pin Brother Steven para makagraduate siya. Okay, where is Brother Steven Talk Show? Ayun. Saan yung link niya? Saglit lang, Brother Ronan. Ayun, nakita ko na. May S pala siya, kaya hindi natin makita ang channel. Ayan. So, I already pin Brother Steven Talk Show, guys. So, kindly support Brother Steven, guys. 8 more bananas, guys. Salamat po, Bro Ronan Indo. I will support your premiere in return. Yes, we will support Brother Ronan Endo tomorrow at 5 p.m. Marian Wright Tanahai from The Sniper. Yes, Brother Sniper, how are you? Okay, so thank you so much uh for always having you here on my live stream, Brother The Sniper. You can also support The Sniper, guys. Okay, he do live stream every day. So mega love shout out, guys, to everyone. Thank you sa support. So and okay, asahan ko kayo, guys, 'di ba? So full support tayo kay Kapards mamaya. Marian Raitana, hi friend, Sniper. Thumbs up the nose, thank you. Thank you, Siberis. I will connect to you tomorrow. And I will bring friends to help you in your banana. Wow, thank you, Kapards. Maraming salamat. And si Siberis, thank you so much also for your stay. So just keep it up. Okay, then upload more videos. Okay, if you cannot do the live stream right now, you are going to upload more videos so that you earn watch hours. Okay, so and in due time you can also be monetized. So just keep it up, upload more videos, be positive. Okay, if you get tired, just rest, but don't quit. Okay, so that's true survivors. Okay, mega love shout out 12 million viewers. Thank you so much. So Brother Steven Talk Show, may I see Brother Steven Talk Show? How much banana? Okay, so 7 more bananas for Brother Steven Talk Show. Wow. I love you more. Thumbs up dan host. Thank you. I love you more. Thank you so much for the love. Okay, as always, thank you so much po. So, Brother Steven Talk Show need 7 more bananas. Okay, so pasubrahan natin para at least pag may na-overripe, at least may matitira. Di ba? So, thank you so much guys for all your support to Brother Steven Talk Show. Thank you po, Kapards, from Sis Marian Raitana. Tatay, send him already 20 bananas. Yes. Okay. Thank you, si Ayuri. Maraming salamat. So, thank you so much, guys, for all your support. Okay. So, thank you, thank you. Pag-graduate natin si Brother Steven. Okay. So, 34 million thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat sa 34 million. Salamat sa inyo. Okay, so Eliza Paredes, guys, don't forget also to give banana for Eliza. Okay, so Eliza, welcome po always, Ma'am at Marian. Yes. 'Di ba? So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa atin. So sis Eliza, yan. Eliza Paredes. Sis Eliza Paredes has 2 subscribers now. So we need some more, guys. Pero yung mga dinikitan niya, bukas yun magsusukli. So dadami din yan. Bukas na po kay Miss Alicia. Yes, kasi nauna siya sa'yo. Inunahan niya lahat, kaya bukas na siya. Okay? So, dadami na yan, sis Eliza. Bukas, may ano ka na. May subscribers ka na talaga. Kaya, mag-upload ka pa ng mga videos mo. Okay? Biglang nag-sanitize si Brother the Sniper. Ha, ha, ha. Abo yun sa kuan. Pag ano baga siya, nagbababa sa link. So, it's okay. Kasi madami naman siyang banana, si Brother Sniper. So, thank you. Okay, so si Berry still in the house. Sis Eliza, thank you pa. Pangako mo yan, love. Tuslok host. Yes, tuslok na. Thank you so much, bro. Pangako mo. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa patuslok. Okay. So, thank you or salamat din sa support sa imong suporta. Tuslok ay pangako mo. Salamat din sa imong suporta sa tanan. Thank you. And the 35 million thumbs up. Mega love shout out to everyone, guys. Maraming salamat. And don't forget Capards also. Please do the thumbs up for Capards. I will give 5 at Eliza Paredes. Wow, thank you Manay Esmines. Thank you so much. O kita mo, sis Eliza. Manay Esmines is also a Bicolana. Okay, so magsuportahan kita. Pangako mo yan, love. Alaga ni Ronan host lahat yan. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat po sa support. So, 5 more bananas for Brother Steven Talk Show. Okay, so gagraduate na talaga siya. 5 na lang. Okay, kaya pa ba? 5 more bananas, guys, for Brother Ronan Endo. So, sino pa ang mayroon na mayroong mga Rico pang support? Maraming salamat. So, mega love shout out. 36 million thumbs up. Maraming thank you po. Makati ang lalamunan ko. Thank you sa 36 million thumbs up po. Thumbs up the nose. Thank you so much, Ronan15 TV. Thank you po. Maraming salamat sa thumbs up. Yung short videos po ni Brother Ronan, kindly support guys. Kay Brother Ronan Endo. Okay, thank you. Kaya pa yan for Steven's Talk Show. Yes. Okay. Di po ako makabigay pa kasi aalis ang barkadan dito, Ma'am Bibi. Mamaya lang po. Okay. Grandstone Mom. Nandito manay it's mini si Grandstone Mom. Hello to you, Grandstone Mom. Mega love shout out. Thank you for the thanks, Doc, and the YouTube. Eliza Paredes, salamat po. Yes, as always, you always be welcome here. Ronan15 TV vlog. Wag lang sana kainin ni Lolo kay Steven Host. Yes, opo. Dapat hindi na siya mangisda. Hindi naman niya nangingisda. Pumupunta lang siya dun sa mga minemberan niya na channel. Greenstone Mom, harang. Thank you so much sa paharang, Greenstone Mom. Capards TV virtual hug. Yes, thank you so much for the virtual hug. By the way, guys, Grandstone Mom is sis Mimi and Demi TV. Okay, so legit po yan na account din niya. Grandstone Mom. So working na yan na Greenstone Mom. I hope you can also be connected with Greenstone Mom. Thank you. Hello Greenstone Ma'am. Mega love shout out. Yes, nandito si Greenstone. Ang ganda ng pangalan, no? Greenstone Ma'am. Okay, so thank you so much. Ako nadikitan ko na si Greenstone Ma'am. Tapos pagbukas ko ng bahay, bulaga, sis Mimi. Mega love shout out sis Agnes from Greenstone Ma'am. Salamat po, Mimi, sa una na premiere ko, ha. Ayan, di ba? So, kindly do the thumbs up for Capards TV and I hope I can see you there, guys. All of you. We will support Capards TV. Yes, okay? Walang iwanan, walang tulugan. Okay, so thank you so much. 37 million thumbs up, guys. To those who don't do the thumbs up for the host, don't forget to thumbs up the host also. Thank you so much for my 7 million viewers. Mega love shout out to everyone. Yes. Okay, so what happened to Brother Steven? Okay, so 3 more bananas for Brother Steven Talk Show. 3 na lang, guys. 3 na lang for Brother Steven Talk Show. We need 3 or dagdagan na din natin. We can make it 5 para may sobra. So, support natin si Brother Steven Talk Show for his road to 500. Welcome kapatid at kapards. Yes, thank you so much Grandstone Mom. Lahat short ang upload ni Eliza Paredes kaya pala si short ko din siya pumunta. Okay. So, you need to more upload you need to upload longer a little bit longer. Sis Eliza para at least pasok yung watch hour kasi kung short videos lang mahirapan ka magtanim ng WH mo niyan. Okay? So, pahabaan habang bago pang channel mo, pahabaan ng video. Regards po kay Demi. OTW kay Steven. Wow, thank you Grandstone Mom. Ayan na si Grandstone Mom. Hahataw na for Brothers Steven Talk Show. TikToker. Yes. Oh, you're a TikToker? Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Sis Eliza, you can follow me on TikTok also. Lasing na pag-ibig to, pahinga muna host, dalawa na lang. Okay, thank you. Lasing na pag-ibig. Kailan pa nalasing ang pag-ibig? Puro TikTok lang video ni Eliza T. Kaya nga, di ba? So, sa Bicol kasi ang dami. Pumunta ka lang sa palayan, videohan mo yung palayan, ayan yung palayan ng Kabikulan. Di ba? Ang ganda sa lugar nyo kasi malalawak pa yung palayan. So, video mo, natures, views, yung mga view na magaganda. So, you can make a video on there. Madami, lalo pag nasa probinsya ka. Okay, so thank you so much to you na lasing na pag-ibig. Puro TikTok. Ayan, nabasa ko na. Buto di ako marunong mag-TikTok. Lasing na pag-ibig to. Ha ha ha. The Sniper. Choka. Thank you so much, Brother Sniper. Nasa Olongapo City siya, te. Same kami. Really? So you both working. Nagtatrabaho kayo sa Olongapo? Sis Marian? Nag-aaral po siya, police. Okay. So, pwede na yan. Upload ka kung anong makita mo. Magmukbang ka. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. So, those who are not yet connected to Brothers 7 Talk Show, guys, kindly we support. One more banana for Brothers 7, guys. Okay? So, 500 na po siya. Diyan lang ako sa puso mo. Ha ha ha, ang lulupit ng pangalan. Ang lulupit ng mga pangalan, ano? Iba-iba eh. May nalasing, may nasa puso mo lang. you really make my day. Okay, 40 million thumbs up. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Sis Mimi, Sis Greenstone Mom, thank you so much for the support to Brothers 7 Talk Show, guys. So Brothers 7 Talk Show has one more banana. Idol na kita, Sir Ronan. Diyan lang ako sa puso mo, Ronan. Diba? Baka sunod niya, bawal na pag-ibig. Iba-iba. Diba? Marami na tayong kaibigan na ay iba-iba ang lulupit ng pangalan eh. Saan ka pa? Nasaan na si Legendary? Nawala si Legendary. 600 na banana ang hinihingi para sa road to 6,000. Nakakatawa si Kuya Putput. Okay, so mega love shout out. Thank you so much Brother Ronan Endo for sharing your blessing to everyone. Thank you. May LS po si Kuya Putput. Okay. Thank you, Kapards. Maraming salamat. Aray ko. 41 million thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Iniwan at nasaktan. Thumbs up dan host. Thank you so much. Ayan. Salamat sa nang iwan. Iniwan at nasaktan. So, thank you so much po sa lahat na Brother Steven and someone more banana. Tingnan, anuhan natin si 500 na ba si Brother Steven? Oh, 500 na. Okay, iniwan na sakta na. Haha. Thank you sa support. Maraming salamat. Sino nga, Brother Ronan, sino nga yung kasama mong isa? Si Berries TV. Thanks, Doc. Yes. Thank you so much, si Berries. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for staying to my live stream. I see your banana. Okay, so those who are not yet connected to si Berries, kindly be connected. Okay, so 501 na si Brother Steven Talk Show. Palitan ko na po pangalan ko sa YT, iniibig ngunit iniwan. Congratulations, sana ka pin host 501. Yes, ayan, nakita ko na. So congratulations to you, Brother Steven Talk Show. You are now 501 subscribers. Thank you. So our newly graduate, you need more. You got your half. Yeah. Si Feliso Vlog Solomon host. Okay. Kumusta na si Brother Feliso? Okay. Nakasahod na din ba? Okay. So, syempre, sa sahod na yon kasi hardworking din yan. Pag tinulak-tulak lang yun ni Brother Ronan Indo. Mag-i-LS yun at mag-upload, di ba? So, ganun yung tandem nila. Si Brother Ronald ang tagatulak ni Brother Feliso. Okay? So, thank you so much, Brother Ronan, for all your support. Dito lang, natulog na. Tulog na. Okay, so thank you so much, Brother Ronan, for your efforts at sa pa-blessing mo kay host. Maraming salamat po. Asahan mo din ang suporta namin in return tomorrow sa premiere mo po. Okay, 5 p.m. ang premiere bukas ni Brother Ronan Endo. Congratulations! Wag sana malagas. God bless, Brother Ronan. Yes, hindi naman yata siya nangingisda, di ba, Manay Itzmines? Si Brother Steven, kusang dumidikit, tapos after 2 days siya nagbabalik sa mga legit na Dikit kay Stevens, si Greenstone Ma'am muna, later na si Main Branch. Thank you, Mimi and Demi TV. Yes, one of my channel member, sis Mimi and Demi TV. Yes, thank you so much. Binaba ko yung kabahayan niya kanina, lahat ng member ko. So, guys, don't forget to support sis Mimi and Demi TV also, and Manay Etzmines. Okay, so next in line, Manay Etzmines. Okay. Pinay Angels Vlog. Thank you sa mga dumikit kay Pinay Angels Vlog, guys. Sa suporta. Iniwan at nasaktan. Mimi and Demi, mega love shout out. Good evening. Mimi and Demi TV, good vibes. Kapards, virtual hug. Yes, thank you sa virtual hug. 42 million thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so 11 million. Thank you sa 11 million po na na nasa bahay pa. OTW po ako kay Pinay Angels Vlog. Thank you, Kapards. And don't forget also to support Shinalin Gadi and Vien's World and Family Vlog. Okay, so they are both monetized channel, guys, but they are not doing live streaming. So we need also to support to those members of the survivors. Iniwan at may naiwan na pa-host. Utsinta banana dito. Pahingaan mo muna, Brother Ronan. Salamat, Brother Ronan. Iniwan at sinaktan. Mega love shout out sa'yo. O, diba? Ang lulupit ng mga pangalan dito, sis Mimi. Thank you so much, guys, sa sumuporta kay Brother Steven Talk Show. Okay, so let's spin our let's spin again Brother Ronan Endo sa kanyang premiere tomorrow. Kindly do the thumbs up, guys. Brother Ronan Endo. Okay, so 5 p.m. po to bukas. Kindly do the thumbs up, guys, and set the reminder on for Brother Ronan Endo. Haha, si Ronan pala yung grabe ang hugot. Kaya nga eh. Grabing hugot nga eh. Okay, so Brother Ronan Endo. Okay, so graduate na si Brother Steven. Now, we're going to pin Brother Ronan Endo sa kanyang premiere tomorrow, 5 p.m. Okay, so after nyan, let's spin again Kapards TV. Yes, si Kapards ang isusunod natin. Okay, guys? Kindly do the thumbs up for Brother Ronan Endo. Premiere niya bukas 5 p.m. po. So kindly support. Yes, sis Mimi, wagas mga hugot. Mayroon pang sinaktan iniwan. Ayan, so maraming salamat. Thank you for the 42 million thumbs up, 12 million in the house. Make a love shout out to each and every one of you guys. Iniwan at nasaktan. Ha ha ha. Wala nang tatalo doon, puro puro mapapait na pangalan. Okay, yes, it's Mimi. Yes, okay. So thank you so much, guys. 12 million in the house. Maraming thank you. And guys, I am asking all of you to support Kapards TV on his premiere tonight. Okay, so it's after my live stream. Panghuli si Kapards para diretso na premiere 26 minutes more. Yes. Okay. So 26 minutes more before the premiere of Kapards TV. Okay, so I will end my live stream 2 minutes before mag-start ang kanyang premiere para nandun tayo lahat at si host. 'Di ba? Kasi si host siyempre ano pa. Ronan, pag gumawa ka ulit ng alagad, suggestion lang, binalikan at sumaya. Ayan ang lupit, sis Mimi. Titiisin ko ang lahat para sa'yo, tamsakdan. Oh, diba? Lumabas na naman yan. Thank you. Titiisin ko at ang lahat para sa'yo. So, thank you so much. Para positive vibes lang. Yes. Ayan, Brother Ronan, may request si sis Mimi. Sa susunod daw, ang gawin mo naman, ano yun? Binalikan at sumaya. Di ba? Binalikan at sumaya. So, yun naman ang gawin mo. Ha ha ha, sabi naman ni Yuri. Tawa si Yuri. Okay, so sis Marian Raitana, thank you for staying the live stream. Maraming salamat. Titiisin ko ang lahat para sa iyo. Ha ha ha. Wala na talaga to. Lahat na. Ang lakas ng hugot. Okay, so thank you so much guys sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. Thank you. Thank you sa effort for Brother Steven Talk Show, guys. Especially Brother Ronan, thank you. Dahil nakagraduate na din siya sa wakas. O, diba? Titiisin ko kahit masakit. Yan na po, susunod. Kapards, ano ba yun? O, diba? Binugbog mo ako noon. Ngayon, may black eye na ako ngayon. Gagawa ako Mamimi and Dimi. Ayan, your request is, noted na sis Mimi. Gagawa daw ulit si Brother Ronan. Ronan, musta na si Felicio Vlog ba yun? Opo, si Brother Felicio. Si Berries, it's minutes. I visited you. Thank you. Humugot si Kapards. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Dito lang po, tulog na Mamimi and Demi. Yes, tulog na daw si Brother Felicio. Kung gising yun, isa pa yun. Iniwan mo ako noon, maglaway ka ngayon. Sabi ni Yuri TV. Ay, nayari na. Okay, so si Beris visited you, it's Mines. Thank you so much, si Beris. Thank you for your support. O kaya, pag pinagtagpo, ngunit di tinadhana, hahamus, takamus sa kanya. Ayan, pakikumusta mo daw si Sis Mimi kay Brother Peliso, Brother Ronan Endo. Okay, so I know everyone has do the thumbs up for Brother Kap for Kabunso ay Kapards Kabunso na tuloy kay Kapards. So ayan, malapit-lapit na tayo. We have 19 minutes before I end my live stream. So we will proceed to Kapards TV, guys. Okay, so Kapards TV. So I'll drop again the premiere of Kapards TV, guys, and kindly support the premiere. I will see you all there, guys. Okay, so let's support Kapards TV. First time ever premiere. Okay, so let's support them. Okay. So, Kapards TV. I will pin your channel, Kapards, yung premiere mo para diretso na tayo doon. So, Harang from Sis Mimi Labrador. Thank you, Sis Mimi. Maraming salamat. Okay, so Kapards TV, guys. Don't forget the premiere of Kapards TV at 11 p.m. So, doon po tayo ha. We will proceed, guys, to those who are our visitor for tonight. The Sniper, C. Berries, and M. The Reacts. Kindly support Kapards on his first ever premiere tonight after my live stream. We will proceed to Kapards. Dito na ang tatay nila, host. Haha. Ayan na yung tatay ng mga nasaktan, si Brother Ronan Endo. Thank you so much, guys, for the 45 million thumbs up, 10 million viewers. Thank you. Okay, so kindly, ayun, sinundo na si Sis Mimi and Demi. Mega love shout out from Yuri TV. Thank you. Thank you, Yuri TV. Maraming salamat. 45 million thumbs up, thank you. And sa effort nyo, guys, at long last, nag-graduate si Brother Steven. We hope and pray that everything will be okay. Okay? So mag-stick to 502 yung kanyang saging. Okay, so ayun. Sige, ang palipad ni Brother Ron. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Maraming salamat po sa mga palipad mo. Thank you. Walang sawang lipad. Iba talaga yung may blessing Brother Ronan. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Okay, so thank you, Yuri, Brother Ronan Endo. Thank you to our super chatter, guys. So kindly also support him on his what do you call that? A premiere tomorrow at 5 p.m. Nyor JTB, magandang gabi po, host. Mega love shout out. Nyor JTV. Yes, good evening to you, brother. Okay, so Nyor JTV is a new YouTuber, guys. He has 432 banana. Okay, welcome to my live stream, brother Nyor TV. Thank you. Are you connected with the host? Okay, you have your moderator, Brother Nyor JTV. Feel at home ka lang po. And kindly be connected to our friend. Di ko pa host nakuha, sad ko sa YT. Bakit po? Bakit, Brother Ronan? Ay, yeah. So, thank you so much. Wow, namimigay ng banana, namimigay ng bonus. Maraming salamat sa blessing, Brother Ronan Endo. Yes, Yuri TV. Ayan. So, marami siyang pinalipad. Okay, so thank you so much, Brother Ronan Endo, sa blessing. Thank you so much po. Kapards, nakaabang na si Sis Mimi Labrador sa pinto ng sinihan. Ipon ko lang muna. Yes, okay. Nakabangko naman, di ba? So, anytime na kailangan, pwedeng kunin. Hello at New JTV, my friend. How are you? Oh, ayan na, Manay It's Mines, kilala mo to? Galing ba to sa'yo? Near JTV, mega love shout out to you. You have your moderator already. Okay, salamat po Timimi. Kita ko nga po hihihi. Ayan, sabi ni Kapards. Yes, because we have 15 minutes more to go. Yes, 15 minutes na lang. And well, panglimang sahod na yan, host. Wow! Bigatin ka, Brother Ronan, ha? Panglima. Okay, so good to hear that, Brother Ronan Endo. Keep it up. Ayan, sabi nga kahit maliit, basta meron buwan-buwan, okay na okay yon. At safe ang channel natin. 'Di ba? So, okay yan, Brother Ronan. Congratulations to you, Brother Ronan. And how about Brother Felizo? Ganon din po siya, sumasahod na din po. Okay, may nakaabang na sa gate ng premiere ko. Wow, pakanton ka naman, Ronan, from Sis Mimi and Demi TV. Yes, di ba? Hello po, ma'am. Yes, New JTV, mega love shout out to you. You can also drop your link. Thank you so much for having you here tonight. We have some more minutes before I end my live stream, and kindly do the thumbs up and be connected with Kapards TV. He has a premiere tonight at 11 p.m. after my live stream. We will proceed to Kapards. Pinoy po yan hini. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manay. So, Neyor JTV, guys. So, if you are not yet connected, he is also a new YouTuber. He has 432 banana. Wala po, host. Si Felicio Vlog Solomon. Tumigil na siya. Napagod daw, host. Ay, sayang. Diba? Sayang kasi monetize ang channel. Mega love shout out, Brother at Nyor. Ayan, kilala mo pala ka, Pards. Bicolano yan, kay Jompis ko ata siya na-meet. Oh, it's Mines. Fine po, ma'am. Yes, thank you. So, are you from Bicol also, Nyor JTV? Thank you so much for visiting me on my live stream. Di po, ha ha ha. Okay, you can also be connected first with Kapards, Brother Nyor JTV. He has a premiere. The one that I pin is Kapards TV. You can visit Kapards TV also. And let's support Kapards TV on his premiere at 11 p.m. Sayang naman yun kay Felicio. Sana maisipan niyang bumalik. Yes, di ba? It is so hard to be monetized. Sabi ko nga, pag napagod ka, magpahinga ka. Huwag kang susuko. Kasi, there's no easy money. 'Di ba? Lahat pinaghihirapan para magkaroon tayo ng kita. At the same time, kung hindi ka man makasahod buwan-buwan, at least, may inaasahan ka na may makukuha sa susunod. Yun ang importante. So, keep going lang, guys. Walang imposible pag nagtsatsaga ka talaga. Nanood ako sa UT. Nanood din ako kay Kuya Putput. Ayan. Si Sis Marian Raitana, nanood ako kay Kuya Putput. Thank you, sis. Kalimutan ko na. Ayan. Kapards, dikit ka, brother Nyor. At babalakan kita ng sobra, promise. Basta dikit ka lang ng tama sa vid at comment. Ako na bahala. Iyo po, host Bicolano, Poro. Okay. So, we are also from Bicol. Okay, so, Manay It's Mines, Manoy Jumpfish on TV, ako, tapos si Manoy Rodelio TV officials, they are from Bicol. So, marami kaming Bicolano sa Survivors team. Pag may katwirang ka, ipaglaban niya. Brother Ronan. Ganun ba yung Brother Ronan? The Sniper Learning. Yes, thank you bro for staying to my live stream. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you, brother The Sniper. Okay, so if you like online gaming, The Sniper do on his live stream. So kindly support the brother Sniper. Okay, and don't forget to do the thumbs up for our Kapards TV and of course to our super chatter brother Ronan Endo. Brother Ronan Endo has a premiere tomorrow at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So kindly support also brother Ronan Endo, guys. Okay? So mega love shout out to my 12 million viewers, 45 million thumbs up. Okay, Nyor TV, I will write your name here and I will get back to you tomorrow. Okay, not today. It would be tomorrow. Newbie siya nini, senior. Grade 4 pa lang, road to 500. Kaya nga eh. So, maybe tomorrow, Nyor, we can make it to 500. Okay, so congratulations to Brother 7 Talk Show, our newly graduate of the road to 500. Yeah, she's now 500 subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much, Yuri. Nyor JTV. Okay, so I will connect to you tomorrow morning. Kabayan. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you guys. Kindly support Brother Ronan Endo also. So I will what I mean this one? I will end up my live stream in 2 minutes, guys, ha? Kasi para makapag-prepare so that the host can prepare also and we will support all to Kapards TV. So thank you so much, guys, for my 45 million thumbs up. Yes. Walang sawang suporta. Salamat. And guys, kindly also support those of my members. BMB Survivors members, thank you so much, Manay It's Mines, Sis Mimi and Demi TV, Brother Steven Talk Show, Brother Erham and Denda channel, guys, and Shisha Ray, and of course, Ma'am Victoria Tangka TV. Okay, so sino pa ang nalagpasan ko? And of course, si PJ. The one and only, Popoy Jeps. Okay, so they are my members, guys. So may nakalimutan ba ako? Okay, and of course, the King. We will not forget the King. Tatay Sulpicio Sports King TV. Okay, Nyor TV, Nyor JTV also dropped the link. Thank you po, Manay. Yes, you're very much welcome, bro. Apong Marina po. Yes. Okay, members of the Survivors. Kapards TV, Emigov Channel, Apong Marina, Manoy Jumpfish on TV, Tatay Sulpicio Sports King TV, Manay Eds Mines, Sis Mimi and Demi, Ma'am Victoria, and Manoy Rodelio TV officials. Okay, and of course, our Bunso Kapards TV. Yes, so they are the members of the Survivors team. Okay, so maraming salamat sa buong suporta. Manay It's Menes, thank you. So all of us do the live stream except si Tatay Sulpicio Sports King TV and Kapards. But very soon, sis Mimi and Demi will come back on the line on the camera. Okay, so kindly check it out. The comeback of sis Mimi and Demi TV, guys. Okay, pag nag-ano sila, pag nag-live stream. They can also do fishing on their channel. And don't forget also the live stream of It's Mines every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The 9 to 10 p.m. your host. And Ma'am Victoria is 5:30 onwards. Okay, so kindly support. Support also Brother Ronan Endo is doing the live stream also. And Brother Rafi Dimaon. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, I hope I can see you all, guys, on Capards TV Premiere. Sis, parang nawala na ako ng confidence mag-LS. Tagal na kasi. Ayan. Kailangan recharge, sis Mimi. Laban lang. Sis Mimi, laban lang. Okay, laban lang tayo. Okay, so yun lang naman ang ano natin, 'di ba? Ang lumaban tayo sa hamon ng buhay. Minsan talaga. Mana it's Mines, mega love shout out from Brother Nyor JTV. Yes, Brother Nyor TV. Thank you so much. Kilala mo si Manoy Jom? Manoy Jom Fish on TV. Yeah, si Manoy Jom Fish on TV is our member in BMB Survivors and Apong Marina. Okay, siya yung inampo namin. Si Apong Marina ngayon ang bago. Okay, so maraming salamat, guys. So 2 minutes more to go. And I will end up my live stream, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, mega love shout out to everyone, to our friends, to our friends and other countries, Brother M. The Reacts, The Sniper, Brother Steven Talk Show, and C. Berries. Thank you so much to you, C. Berries. I hope I can see you on Capards TV's premiere. Walang susuko, talo ka pag sumuko ka. Yes. Yes, susuka pero di susuko. Okay, and I'm also want to say may thank you to Sis Marian Raitana and Eliza Paredes. They are both Bicolana. Okay, so brother Nyor JTV, kindly search Eliza Paredes, a new YouTuber also. And Marian Raitana is a monetized channel. They both from Bicol. Okay, so thank you so much, bro, Nyor JTV, for having you here tonight. I hope this is your this is not your first and last, but I want to see you every day on our live stream. Okay, so kindly support Manay It's Mines so that we can flex your channel and you can earn some more bananas. Okay, so fight. Walang susuko, guys. Okay? Wala. Hindi ka survivor kung susuko ka. Kaya laban lang. Yes, mega love shout out Noy at your JTB, bless you. Marian done with full pack na po, refresh idol. Thank you, Brother Ronan. Mimi and Demi done dikit po. Thank you, Nyor, Brother Nyor. Thank you so much. Okay, kindly screenshot the comment box and lahat po yan na naka-blue, dikitan mo sila. And mag-leave ka lang ng comment. They are all the members of the survivors. So I know they are all legit. Okay, guys. Brother Sniper, thank you so much. Okay, guys. I will end up my live stream and let's proceed to Capards. Okay? So Capards is is tumbling na. So we'll wait for the host, guys. Mamaya ka na mag-endorse, kwento muna tayo. Hanggang 2 hours lang, Brother Ronan, and dubawi na lang po next time. Okay, so thank you so much, Brother Ronan, sa blessing. And I'll see you tomorrow on your premiere. 5 p.m. po. Nilista ko na. Okay, at ni-reminder on ko na. Thanks, Neor. Noted. Later ang balik ko ha. Yes. Yes po, Manay. Go lang. Walang atrasan. Yes. Laban lang. Okay? So, let's go to Brother Kapard. Sis, pipila na ako sa sinihan. Yes, pipila na tayo sa sinihan, guys. And I'll see you all there. Okay? Bye, everyone. Brother Ronan, see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you, brother. The Sniper, thank you so much. Okay, let's go to Kapard's TV, guys.